Hello, traders. Today is Sunday, June 22nd. This is my full top-down analysis for gold. So anyways, on the monthly time frame gold, I actually think that the very high time frames on gold are so extremely clear when it comes to Elliott wave patterns. First of all, we got a nice impulsive up, wave one. We got corrective, one, two, three, down, wave two. Now we have what I think is so clearly a wave one, wave two, and we're still in a wave three of three. We're going to have to make a one, two, three, four, and five just to finish off this wave three. Then we would potentially have to make a big wave four around the same size as that wave two for the bigger wave four, and then another push up for a wave five just to end this thing. And so just keep in mind that we are definitely still in a wave three on the very high time frames. Wave threes are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. Going down to the weekly, this is where you can really see this, what I was just talking about. Wave one of three, wave two of three, wave three of three. Maybe we're already in the wave four of three, or maybe this is just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. I think we're potentially already in the wave four. This is like an A, B, C of four, and then potentially we'll go up again for a wave five of wave three. Like I said, very clear in my opinion on the weekly and monthly time frames. Going down to the daily. Now, this is why I have us in the WXY on the daily because I think we're potentially in a wave four already. So I think this is A, B, C of W. I think this is A, B, C of X. And it seems more likely that this would be an A, B, C of Y. And this would all be a wave four of wave three from the weekly monthly time frame. So we'll have to keep that in mind. I mean, we do not have a break of structure yet, proving that it is definitely going down like that. And there's always a chance this move down is a pullback to this last move up, and it just keeps on going up. Because, like I said, wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. So there's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing the uptrend, even if we do have a bearish analysis. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, gold has been very choppy last week. To me, it looks like there's an ABC correction in here someplace. I mean, this is definitely impulsive, so that's not part of a correction, but kind of looks like this is like a wave A and a wave B, and this is like now a wave C, and it's maybe going to go up and take these highs and then turn back down for like either a 1, 2, like 1 ABC of 2, or A ABC of B. Which it doesn't matter whether it's an A, B, or a 1, 2, because you trade it exactly the same, whether it's an A or a 1 or a B or a 2. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I personally think that this is like a trend right here, probably ending right here. And then this is like one, two, three up for like an A of either a running or an expanding flat. This whole move down is like a wave B of either a running or an expanding flat. Now we're potentially going up for a wave C of a running or an expanding flat. If it's an expanding, then it will go up and take out all these highs, maybe up to like the 61%. If it's a running, it could definitely make a lower high. It potentially could go up and make a lower high compared to this high, lower high, and then go down. So we don't really know whether it's an expanding or whether it's a running. Keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels because either way, it's probably going to turn at a Fibonacci retracement level. So if it's a running, I would probably be targeting like the 38 or the 50. If it's an expanding, I would probably be targeting like the 78% or the 61%. So basically, what I would do is be looking for logs at sort of time frames while we learn and hopefully earn whether this is an expanding or a running ABC correction. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.